Hi dear student, before this period you have read about synthesis and before it you make two or more simple sentences into one simple sentences by using participle, and after then you make two or more simple sentences into one simple sentences by using nominative absolute, and after then you have to make two or more simple sentences into one simple sentences use of infinitive. First of all, you have to know about infinitive. What is infinitive? When you add to before main verb, and after adding to before main verb, that verb is not be a main verb. Instead of being a main verb, it works same as like as subject or object. It is point when you add to before any main verb and that main verb is not that main verb does not work as a main verb, then it call infinitive. As well as Rahul has a dog. It guards his home. Here are two simple sentences. First, Rahul has a dog, and second sentence, it guards his home. Mean राहुल के पास एक कुत्ता है, इट गार्ड्स हिज होम, यह यानी वह कुत्ता उसके घर की रखवाली करता है. Here are two words, here has and in second sentence guards. Then you have to change the second sentence verbs guards into infinitive. And when you add these two sentences, then the solution Rahul has a dog. And here in second sentence, guards is a verb, then before it you have to add to guard his home. Now in this way, these two sentences mix or mingle into one simple sentences by using infinitive. Here are some examples. When you add infinitive, then in Hindi mean na, ne, ni. The explain, the suggestion, the main theme may be na, ne, ni. Now here some other examples. Sarala has 3 daughters. She wants to marry them. Here are two sentences. First sentence, Sarala has 3 daughters, and now second sentence, she wants to marry them. Here verb be has used here as like as main verb, and in second sentence wants used as like as a main verb. Then you have to add infinitive to before the second sentence main verb. Solution: Sarala has 3 daughters to marry. And after that you can also add them. In this way you will add 2 or more simple sentences into one simple sentence by using of infinitive. Now some other examples. Rohan went to Delhi he wanted to see the Red Fort. Here is also 2 sentences. First sentence, Rohan went to Delhi and after reaching there he wanted to see the Red Fort. Now the first sentence, Rohan went to Delhi and here to see the Red Fort. Now in the second sentence, this verb may be converted into infinitive. So in this way you have to add 2 or more simple sentences into one simple sentence by using infinitive. And what is infinitive? When in any sentences before main verb use to and that word or that verb is not be as a main verb, then it called infinitive. Some other examples. Suppose that if in any sentences you may find very or much, the old man was is very weak. He can not walk fast. Here are 2 sentences. First sentence, the old man is very big, and in the second sentence, he cannot walk fast. Here verb be is or am was where. Within those is or am was where. Here is as a main verb. And now in the second sentence, here walk is the main verb. So if any sentence you may find in first sentence very, then you have to convert that very into add verb to. The old man was too weak. And now in the second sentence, before main verb you have to add infinitive to walk fast. The old man is. Here is, then here also is. The old man is very weak. He cannot walk fast. Now come into the past tense. Sarala was very thin. She could not lift the box. Here in first second, verb be is rm was where. Within those verbs, was is used here. And now in the second sentence, lift is the main verb. So you have to convert this main verb into infinitive. And here, very is equal to 2. Sarla was too thin to lift the box. Now in this way you can add 2 or more simple sentences into one simple sentences by using infinitive. So you have read 3 topics. First of all, by using participle, you have to join 2 or more simple sentences into one simple sentence, and after that, by using of nominative absolute, you have to add 2 or more simple sentences into one simple sentence, and after that, here by using of infinitive, you have to join 2 or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. And after that, you will find a homework, and I hope you have to solve that homework till 10/5/2020. I hope, and if any student will send this homework after 10/5/2020, then it is not legal. It cannot be checked by the teacher. So I hope that you will understand this topic by using of infinitive, add 2 or more simple sentences into one simple sentences. Thank you.